One of the world's oldest surviving carpets has proven to be a mystery for researchers. Dating back to over 400 BC, this well-preserved carpet is rich with vivid colors. But how exactly did people in ancient Persia make this carpet? What is the story behind it? Our next report gets you all the details. Housed in the famous Hermitage Museum in Russia, this remarkably well-preserved carpet is a treat for the eyes. It is knotted in an elaborate style, combining deep red and rich blue in its threads. The carpet does not immediately give you an idea of how old it is. But believe it or not, this well-preserved carpet is over 2,500 years old. It was first discovered in a tomb in the Altai Mountains in 1949, and since then has proven to be a puzzle for researchers.
This carpet is important for Pazyryk culture according to the stylistic peculiarities of the details. It originates from the Persian Empire of the Achaemenid period and is no older than the 4th century BC. The tomb itself dates back to the mid-3rd century BC, which means that the carpet was in use for quite a long period. It was intensively used, and as a consequence, it has the wear marks.
Researchers used high-resolution X-ray fluorescence microscopy to analyze the vivid colors of the carpet. The traditional technique used by carpet weavers for centuries was to ferment wool under special conditions that enabled the dye to stain the wool hair very deeply.
Textile dyeing is one of the oldest crafts of human civilization. But from a scientific point of view, it combines principles of biotechnology and material science. So on the one hand, it's very old, but on the other hand, it's also very sciencey, very modern, very high-tech.
One of the few remaining artifacts of the Pazyryk culture, the vivid red, yellow and blue carpet, is the world's oldest known example of a knotted pile carpet, woven in using the so-called Turkish or symmetrical double knot. The central field is decorated with 24 cross-shaped figures, while the border contains 28 figures of men on horseback. The carpet must have been intensively used for a long period of time, as it exhibits marks of wear and tear. With this latest research, scientists feel they are one step closer to understanding the mysteries of one of the oldest well-preserved carpets of the world. Bureau Report, WION, World is One. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.